Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video I'm going to show you how to make money online from this particular website. So what you have to do is grab your phone and go to Google Chrome. From your Google Chrome, go on and type in USDT spin.com. I'm going to leave in the link in the description so you can tap and you start. So the page will load up just like this. I'm going to show you, and the page will just load up. It will just load up just like this, and this is my page. Let me refresh the page. I have so far earned this amount, that is around $10, equivalent to 41,000 in Uganda shillings. So what you have to do is to go on and open your website. From your website, we just come here, you start spinning, you click spin the wheel. For me, I've just pinned my today's wheel, so I have no spins remaining. But you just come on this particular side, and from this side you go on and you tap spin. From spin you'll be able to get your daily spin. So you can choose to enjoy this free spin every day. You'll be able to earn up to around 0.30 cents per day, equivalent to around 1,500 shillings. But you can choose to upgrade your account, and there are more than enough offers here that you can base from and start earning money. But for me, I'm on a free spin. You can choose to earn freely every day, or upgrade your account to another package and you'll be able to earn more than what I'm earning right now. Let me go to my dashboard back, and this is the amount I have. Total balance is around $10. Total deposit is around $4.9. I'm at a starter package. I have bonus 0. Variable spin, I have just spin my daily wheel before I made this video. But guys, it is really a nice website. You can also choose to use the application. It's just like the way it is here. I have it in my phone. Just open it and it will just load just like the website does. You log in. And you'll be able to earn just like the way I'm earning from my particular website, just like the way it is here. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos just like this, guys. Thank you so much.